way. Off you go.
There he goes. He's kayaking.
Go out to the buoy, Alex.
Doing pretty good.
He knows to do it twice on one side if he doesn't go straight. And this is a whitewater kayak. That's why it turns so quickly.
Oh, it looks pretty nice.
So
Yeah.
He's got the right stroke right now. Because if you dig too deep, then it makes you almost go in a circle.
Right.
And he's fearless. Whether there's wind or waves, he doesn't
Oh, really?
care. He
Okay.
just keeps going. Swimming has definitely taken a back seat when he comes over.
Oh, he likes kayaking then, huh?
Oh, he does that for an hour and a half.
Oh, really? That's a long
And
time.
I sit on a noodle and sit in there in the water.
Yeah. What's he go to the right there and back? Is usually what he does? Or does he go farther out?
Then he goes over to the neighbors.
Oh, okay.
And then he goes down.
Oh, wow.
Not to go beyond the
Right.
pontoon boat because the water down there.
Where's he going now?
Alex, go to the neighbor so everybody can see you. And he loves it when Amma comes onto the deck and waves at him.
Oh, okay.
So now he waits for Amma to come.
Oh, so he does. Okay.
Alex, just keep going back and forth. They will come. Come to us and then start all over again.
It's good exercise for him.
He stops himself this way. Alex, come to us and then do it again. By that time they will come. He's good, isn't he?
He's real good, yeah.
And he goes fairly straight, which is hard to do with that.
Yeah.
My big one was easier. It kept almost went straight by itself. But it was
Oh, it's too big or what?
I sold it. I can't lift that thing anymore.
It's too heavy, huh?
Okay, Alex.
They're waving to you up there.
Oh,
Yeah, they're waving to you.
And go out, Alex, go out so they can see you. They can see you behind the bushes.
They're waving at you.
And then he doesn't know when to quit waving.
Yeah, he's clapping now.
Okay, Alex, paddle. Go the other way so they can see you. Alex, go to the neighbor's dock so they can see you. Turn around. They can't see you over here. You gotta go over to the neighbor's dock. That's it. Keep going.